JDCap26 here, just do the tips and repairs and hobbies, and we've got this clip that came off of a sheath. I'm not going to name the company at all, but there's a lot of companies that have these type of clips on their sheaths for pouches and things like that. Well, you think that they would make a steel core to this and then cover it with plastic to make it look nice so it doesn't wear. But it is warranted, so it's going to be replaced. But keep an eye out when you buy a pouch and it has one of these plastic clips. They'll just snap right off if they're caught the wrong way on your belt. So that's my tip for today. I hope you're having a good day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care now.